Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are talking about a question many Sweatcoin users have. Can you withdraw your Sweatcoin to GCash in 2025? If you've been earning Sweatcoins by walking and want to cash them out, stick around because I will explain everything you need to know step by step. First, let's get straight to the point. There is no direct way to withdraw Sweatcoin to GCash. That is the truth. Sweatcoin does not support direct cash withdrawals, and there's no built-in option to send your balance to GCash. So, you might be wondering what can you do with your Sweatcoins? Currently, Sweatcoin offers two main ways to use your earnings. First one is marketplace rewards. You can exchange Sweatcoins for discounts, products, and services in the app's marketplace. However, these are not cash withdrawals. Now, second way is Sweat Economy Crypto, that is SWEAT Sweatcoin. If you've converted your Sweatcoins into Sweat tokens, you may be able to cash them out through cryptocurrency exchanges. However, this requires extra steps and is not directly linked to GCash. So, some users try workarounds like buying PayPal gift cards with Sweatcoins or selling their rewards for cash, but these methods are not officially supported and may come with risks. So to answer the question, you cannot withdraw Sweatcoins directly to GCash in 2025. If Sweatcoin ever introduces this feature, we'll be sure to update you. In the meantime, let me know in the comments if you have found other ways to use your Sweatcoins. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and thanks for watching.